Is the block working?
Well, it's kind of thin. And actually, I got connections, new connections coming tomorrow. I'll probably swap them out with this, most likely.
So, nag-fake siya sa sprinklers, guys. Si Aaron. Kakatapos lang niya i-connect. So, finally, na-fix na. Namatay na ang grass. It's dying. Our grass is dying, guys. It's hot. Mainit dito. Once lang umuulan dito. Umuulan. Once lang nag-rain dito this month. So he's fixing our sprinkler, but dito, so dito hindi pa nag-work. So dito lang. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ay, wala pa dyan. So sa kabila naman, guys, is ano niya, i-fix niya.
I'm gonna probably replace some of these with some ones. I don't want them going out the side. I want them going out the front. So my three in the back, they basically go along the side of the house. You don't really want that. You want them going in front of the house.
I know.
You could get some foundation issues. So they're only like $2 or $3 a piece. So I'm gonna replace the sides with different, like, see this one right here, right? I'm trying to adjust it, but they don't have the, I can only adjust them left to right, and that's not going to change anything. So,
kumain na naman ng bread.
Get some new sprinkler heads. I mean, they're good, but they're not going out front. They're going along the side of the house. That doesn't water anything at all. I was literally standing in front of them, and yeah. They shouldn't go side, they should go out angle. See, this is watering right now as well, but it's watering under the ground.
Okay.
That way you don't get water. You don't get water in the street, right? You're not wasting water. It's called a drip line.
So the control there?
Huh?
Did you turn off there?
Yeah, that's on. That's not going to spray
I thought there.
up. Yeah, this is not going to spray up because it would all be in the street. And if it's in the street, then it's not in the yard. Not in the yard, then you wasted water, right? So it waters under the ground, under the hose. The hose has holes in it.
Eating Filipino bread. You want to go walk? Nag-dress man.
When I'm done eating.
Nag-dress man tan duha. Nag-walking ta min duha. Right now is, what time is it? It's 8, maybe 8 or 9. Yeah, 8.
No.
No, advance man. Advance man 15 minutes, so mga 8 pa.
Yeah, but it's technically 9. That's food.
Mag-walking ta ako, nag-dress na sa ta. Dinhin na lang. Doon naman siya sa kabila nag-ano, guys.
But I didn't go. I just moved to like 8% then.
So sa kabila naman siya nag-ano, guys, nag-sit.
The front yard's got pretty good coverage. But I need to turn this on here.
I-adjust niya. Nagpaano kami dito last time. May nag-fix dito. Pero nag-ano yung water leaking. So,
Mag-get another piece.
ibutang sa microwave. Lami siya yung microwave.
I know, I put it for 10 seconds.
Get these. I need to figure out this is going on the sidewalk.
Namatay ang grass dahil walang masyadong rain. Nag-fix. He's fixing. Once lang nag-rain dito guys. Maybe last week. Last week. Yeah, last week. Once lang nag-rain dito last week. Yung ano ko guys, yung lemon, lime, I mean, marami ng bunga ang lime.
Look how much water is getting wasted there.
It's in the
And look, almost all the
concrete.
water, it's not even going on the grass, it's going over here. I'm doing good.
So dito green.
But see, see, like I don't have another one that goes that way. With the other part of the yard.
Yeah.
The one in the middle. Got this one. Got this one. This area is covered. Over there. But I don't really have. Yeah. So all this water is blowing right over.
Yeah.
See, I don't really have. Yeah, it's all the water's here, not even on the gun. But then like over here. And most of this is hitting that thing right there.
It's okay because they have some flowers too.
I mean, it's not like a big deal. It's, you know, it's whatever. It's still going on the ground. But this one, I'm going to have to replace this one right here. Because all the water's coming over there. Like almost every bit of it.
It's so good.
It's right.
It's buttery though.
You eat. Ground pork man to, spinach.
Oh,
Kibay na oh, mana. Nya busog na ko ni kaon kog duha. So bye for now guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So I just need to get new